guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Beauty by Mona. Today I'm gonna give you a Thanksgiving look. I created this look for Thanksgiving. It's just making me feel what type of like snow queen, you know. I wanted to do like a seasonal makeup tutorial for you guys as it's getting to Christmas based around the holidays. Let me see how I created this look. Keep on watching. I'm going to be using In Transit Cover Close Up by Works. I'm going to be using it to moisturize and prime my face. It's amazing. I got it from the Glossy Box October edition. Moisturize and prime. I have a little friend up here and probably have another one somewhere on my forehead. I don't know why, but I'm getting little bits of spots. I'm going to be using a few new things. One of them is the Maybelline Tattoo Brow. This shade is a dark brown. Heard so much about this, but I've never tried it before. We are going to try it out. So it says apply in desired brow shape. Let it dry for 20 minutes, then peel it off. That's how it looks like. There's so many ads about this. Let's see how it's going to work. I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow brush. Brush my brows in place. I like trying new things, but I just get really nervous. I'm just going to start swirling. Honestly, I hope I'm doing this right. I'm hoping this makes it like more fuller. Yeah, I don't have to fill it. I think it's such a great idea. Apparently, if you want it longer, it could last for up to 3 days. If you want it longer, you have to wait for it to dry for 2 hours. We don't have 2 hours, so we're gonna just let it dry for 20 minutes. I don't want to go all the way to the beginning of my brow, so I want to look natural. So we have to wait 20 minutes for this to dry. It's about 5 minutes to 4. Whilst we're waiting, I'm just gonna go on and continue with the rest of my face. The foundation I'm gonna be using is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and this is in the shade Chai. I've heard so much about this foundation. Too Faced did a collaboration with Jackie Aina, and I love Jackie Aina. I absolutely love her. I know I'm really late, but I finally got my hand on one when it was on offer. Fresh, I've not used it yet, so we're gonna try it. With it, I had to go to the shop and get a swatch of it. I got a voucher for Debenhams for my birthday. I used that voucher to purchase this. It's got coconut water in it. It's oil-free foundation, diffuses fine lines between makeup and skin. Coverage, long wearing. It's hydrating, photo friendly. It's natural coverage, so it's medium to full coverage. I'll try one pump and see how it goes. But you can tell it's new, so I had to pump a bit. One pump. This is the same shade as Jackie Aina, and I'm going to be using my beauty blender. I usually have the black one, but I'm going to use the pink one, a new purchase. I'm just going to apply it on my face first and then blend it out. This is one pump. I'm gonna have to get one more pump because pump is just not enough. Got one more pump. Just first. Got the perfect shade for my skin. So that's 2 pumps. Lovely. Okay, Auntie Jackie. Next I'm gonna go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Font. I'm just gonna conceal under my eyes. Look cute already. We can go out. I'm gonna contour with the Fenty Beauty contour stick in espresso. To add some more. I'm gonna blend it out with the beauty blender. Blend out the contour first. I'm just gonna blend out the highlight a bit. My concealer. I'm a bad boy girl that I know that. I really wanna be your boy older. Every girl around you, everybody wants me. I do everything in so I don't look crazy when I do the look. I always leave under my eyes to the last. Okay, now I'm gonna blend under my eyes. I'm not gonna bring it all the way far out. I'm just gonna bring it up to here. Bad boy on the floor, baby, you understand? I love the thing, man. Yo, I'm a bad boy girl that I know that. I really wanna be your boy older. Every girl around you, everybody want me, but baby, no fear. I'm loving you, you're behind. And I know say, girl, I be bad. Forget the boys, let me China, bad boy, I be original. If you know my story, and you see the way I do the girls, you gonna see the body if you do you done. Bad boy on the floor, baby, you understand? I love the thing, man. gonna set it with a touch of buttercup. I'm just gonna top off the excess under my eye. Set all the rest of my features are highlighted. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to use MAC Mirror Nice Skin Finish in Dark Deepest, and I'm going to use my beauty blender just to set it. I'm going to set my contour with CoverGirl bronzer in Ebony. I'm just going to contour my nose a bit. I'm going to peel the brown off, this peel from the inside out. Doesn't look like it's building. Looks good. Looks like I filled in my brows. You know what, for a quicker way, I'm going to start doing my eyes now. Prime my eyes with Urban Decay Primer Potion. I haven't used this for a long time. I'm going to be using the Morphe palette in 3502. My transition colour. I'm going to use this shade here as my transition colour. Next shade I'm using is orange shade. Next up, I'm going to be using the brown highlight. I'm going to apply it with this because it's much better.
Yo, I'm a bad boy girl that I know that. I really wanna be your boy older. Every girl around here, everybody want me, but baby no fear. I'm loving you, you're behind. And I know say girl I be bad. Forget the boys, let me China, bad boy, I be original. If you know my story, and you see the way I do the girls, you gonna see nobody if you do you done.
I feel like this brush is really flat, so it's perfect on the crease.
I'm a bad boy girl that I know that. I really wanna be your boy older. Every girl around here, everybody want me, but baby no fear. I'm loving you, you're behind. And I know say girl I be bad. Forget the boys, let me China, bad boy, I be original. If you know my story, and you see the way I do the girls, you gonna see nobody if you do you done. Bad boy on the floor, baby, you understand? I love the thing, man. Yo, I'm a bad boy girl that I know that. I really wanna be your boy older. Every girl around here, everybody want me, but
I'm gonna go in with the shade and the shade on my lower lash line.
Forget the boys, let me China, bad boy, I be original. If you know my story, and you see the way I do the girls, you gonna see nobody if you do you done. Bad boy on the floor, baby, you understand? I love the thing, man. Yo, I'm a bad boy girl that I know that. I really wanna be your boy older. Every girl around here, everybody want me.
I'm gonna use the model from under my waterline and tight line.
And I know say girl I be bad. Forget the boys.
I'm gonna use my favorite mascara, L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara in Extra Black.
And you see the way I do the girls, you gonna see nobody if you do you done. Bad boy on the floor, baby, you understand? I love the thing, man. Yo, Yo, I'm a bad boy,
I'm
girl,
gonna be using these lashes. I got
boy
these
older.
from AliExpress. I think they were like £2.
But baby, no fear. I'm loving you, you're behind. And I know say, girl, I be bad.
Okay, I'm gonna put some mascara on my lower lashes.
Let me China, bad boy, I be original. If you know my story,
I'm just gonna spray some setting spray, let that dry. I'm gonna go in with Abs Contour and Jackie Eyeliner in a lip peach to highlight.
yo, I'm a bad boy, girl, that I know that. I really wanna be your boy older. Every girl around you, everybody
keep
wants
this
me,
back.
but baby, no fear. I'm loving you, you're behind. And I know say, girl, I be bad. Forget the boys, let me
And my
China,
brow bone.
bad boy, I be original. If you know my story, and you see the way
Okay, I forgot to use a blush. I'm gonna use the MAC Raisin.
bad boy on the floor, baby, you understand? I love the
Okay,
things
so finally, I'm gonna use Patricia Bright lipstick with MAC. This is a new purchase as well. Never tried this brown lip shade. But before I use it, I'm gonna line my lips with NYX lip liner in Espresso.
forget the boys, let me China, bad boy, I be original. If you know my story, and you see the way I they do the girls, you gonna see nobody if you do you then I know you. Yeah, bad boy on the floor, baby, you understand? I love the thing where yo, I'm a bad boy, girl, that I know that. I really wanna be your boy older. Every girl around you, everybody want me, but baby, no fear. I'm loving you, you're behind. And I know say, girl, I be bad. Forget the boys, let me China, bad boy, I be original. If you know my story.
Patricia Bright is a YouTuber. She's been on YouTube for a long time. She's a fashion and beauty YouTuber. This lipstick looks amazing. Alright guys, this is like the perfect look for Thanksgiving, and it's also fall colours and a bit of zoom. I was thinking, should I go with a glitter or should I go with a highlighter? So I just went with a highlighter, and it actually seems like it's a glitter, but it's not. If you'd like to see more of these type of looks, do give us a thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification button, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.